If you're looking to import all of your old emails into HubSpot, I have good news for you. A feature was finally released in November of 2025 in order to allow anyone in your account to do this. So if you're looking to get all of the context of your deals, companies, and contacts inside of HubSpot, you can finally do this. This wasn't possible before. You can bring all of your emails in from all of your users. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly here. You want to go into your settings area, and then you want to scroll down into the data management section on the left-hand side, and then open up this objects menu. And you're going to scroll all the way down to activities here, scroll down to the historical email import section, and then just check this box to allow all users to import historical email data. And so you can actually choose the time frame that users can import their emails from. Now, for us, we like to get as much data as possible in accounts when we're setting them up or when we're fixing them. And so we usually would import all of the data here. But if you only want people to do a specific date range or do the most recent 12 months, you can limit that as well. So maybe your business has pivoted, or maybe you've added so many new products and services, like old stuff isn't useful anymore. So then you can limit this to the last 12 months instead. So highly recommend going and turning this setting on so that your users can start bringing in all of their old emails, and you can start leveraging all that data in HubSpot's new AI features, all of the workflow features, all of the reporting features, and stuff like that. Now, naturally, the next question is, how do users actually import the email data now that this is turned on? And so what'll happen is each user will have to go into their own settings, go up to the general section here under your preferences, go to the email section, hover over the email inbox that you want to import, click on actions, and then import historical email data. And so this is going to import from the most recent 12 months for us. We're going to click I agree. And what this will do is this will import emails for existing contacts only, or for both existing and newly detected contacts. So this is going to actually import emails for existing and new contacts. It'll create new contacts is what it sounds like. And it says imported data is stored securely and can be deleted at any time. So just the standard data security that HubSpot still provides. So then once they click on start import, this is going to bring up a new menu here. And so this is where you can actually choose whether you want to import emails for existing contacts or import emails and create new contacts. And so we're just going to do this import emails for existing contacts. Click on next. It's going to scan our inbox, and then we're going to be able to review it before actually completing the import. And so that's pretty much it. That's all the user has to do. And then their emails will be imported into HubSpot, and you're good to go. So hopefully this is useful. I'm Dan Saavedra from Merger Data. Thanks for watching.